Good morning, this is Kent at KJS Painting and Renovations, and today is a video on how to replace a water heater. It's a 30-gallon tank gas water heater. It was put in 1994. Right now it's 2022, so that's 28 years. It's an A.O. Smith, and so I got a new one of those. And of course it's Saturday morning, and this went out Friday night. And I went to Cal Steam, got it at Cal Steam, they had it. All right, so here we go. Here's the water heater, 28 years old. So hooking up a garden hose here, open the valve. Sometimes this is so clogged with sediment, it won't drain. So we're gonna open the gate valve and blast it out. Look at that, now that's working. It was clogged with sediments. Okay, shut the gate valve off now. Remove these so air can get in, so it'll drain. Okay, water's flowing. It's probably take about 20 minutes. Here it comes. Those of you that watch my videos know that I like this stuff. Supco Rust Buster. Oh, that's pretty gnarly. The relief valve is on the top on this one. It goes in and just drains down under the house. Shut the gas off. 90 degrees is off. This is ready to come out. It's not too bad. I just gave it a bear hug and just kind of walked it out of here. Easy as pie. Okay, we're gonna get a new pan. Let's see if this one fits. That's gonna work. This saved our butt. It was just draining under the house. There it is. Since it's easy to get in here now, I'm going to check all of these fittings for leaks. If there's any leaks, we'll see little bubbles. Okay, no leaks. And some bleach treatment here.
Ain't no more money when you're dead. Ain't no more money when you're dead.
Here it comes. Cut the bottom of the box. Nice, looks good. A.O. Smith. What you're gonna need are these. I have two 18-inch stainless steel flex. It's a nut by nut. And I've got two 3/4 inch copper by male adapters, two of these. So this will get sweated onto the pipe. And the other end, will screw into here, if you can see that. And this just screws onto here. So I'm going to cut this pipe right here. And this one I'm going to cut right here using a pipe cutter. Clean these up with some emery cloth. Clean these up, get the water out. Soldering, I got my flux, my solder, my little acid brush, and my map gas here, my torch, trusty sparker. Okay, so I'm gonna brush some flux onto here. Solder goes where the flux is. I'll brush a little bit in here too. I'm going to use some fittings off the old water heater. Just transfer them to the new one. Also this fitting here. I'm going to use this one. It's going to go over here. I can get it to go. And then this here, of course, it's going to go in here. And coupler. I give this 3 wraps of the yellow tape. The direction I'm going, right? So as I'm threading it in this way, the tail end of the tape, when it tears off, goes with the threads. Got 2. And then 3. I also like to use a little bit of Rector Seal. It's a cheap insurance program against leak. And it goes in over here. Not too tight, just snug. Same thing over here. This one for the pressure relief valve gets a wrap. This is water, not gas, so it's going to get the Teflon tape, the white stuff. Same deal. Go about 3 times. A little bit of pipe dope. Why not? Put her in the old pressure relief valve. There we go. Same thing, not too tight. We got the new one moved into position. First thing is to strap it down. I decided to come outside and just temporarily screw this in here just to hold it so I could solder up this bit of work for the pressure relief valve for the new unit. And then this one gets screwed in here, same thing, the Teflon tape and the pipe dope. Same deal, not too tight here, just tight enough.
Ain't no more money when you're dead.
Wipe everything down. Keep it from tarnishing. Just wipe all these off. Both the hot and the cold got the pipe wrap, and they're going to get a little bit of pipe dope as well. These ones get the yellow pipe wrap. Okay, all the connections are made. We're going to open the hot water, so when we fill the water heater, the air can escape. Same thing here. So now we're going to fill the water heater. Open the valve all the way. And we can start checking for leaks. Nice. Good. Okay, the tank is full. Now we can switch the gas on and light the pilot light. It's on pilot. Hold the gas temperature control knob in and hit the button. Ah, there it goes. And now we wait a little bit, then we turn it to the desired temperature. I think I'll go to hot. Check for leaks again. Seems like we're okay. One final thing to do is to do the bonding on this. The other one wasn't bonded, but that just consists of clamping on a wire to here, clamping onto here, and then going down and clamping onto the gas line. And then this will be bonded in case there's any electrical leaks. It will be grounded. But for this video, I think I'm just not going to do that part. This is going to be it. I'll come back and do that tomorrow. It's getting a bit late. Well, that about wraps it up, other than the bonding, which is just clamps on the hot, cold, and then to the gas line, it's just a copper wire with some clamps. It's called bonding. You can look it up. Next time I'm in Redwood City, I'll go to Cal Steam and return the old water heater, not return it, but I can drop it off of there against the wall and they will recycle it for free. And yeah, thanks for watching these videos. I hope they're helpful. The idea is to help you guys do it yourself. And what helps me is if you click the like button and subscribe and all that. And if you would like some help doing this sort of thing, please give me a call. I really rather enjoy plumbing more than almost anything else. So, all right, thanks for watching my videos.
Ain't no more money when you're dead.